Welcome. You're dreaming of opening your own coffee shop or restaurant, a dream filled with the aroma of coffee, the sizzle of pans, and happy faces enjoying your food. I've lived this dream and I know the passion you feel. This isn't just business, it's about creating a space for memories and building a community. The path is challenging, but the joy is immense. Every smile from a satisfied customer makes the hard work worth it. In 2025, people crave unique experiences and stories. Your story. This guide is your companion, from idea to the buzz of a busy kitchen. We'll cover everything. Finding your idea, making a business plan, choosing a location, getting permissions, designing your space, and building your team. This isn't a textbook. It's advice from one food lover to another. Take a deep breath. Your adventure begins now. Every great restaurant started as a simple idea. Every famous chef was once a beginner. What sets you apart is passion and preparation. You have the passion. I'll help with the preparation. Together, we'll turn your dream into reality. Let's start building a place people will love, a true reflection of you. Your journey to creating a wonderful food destination starts now. Are you ready? Let's go. Visual montage, bustling kitchens, happy customers, coffee being poured. Remember, this is your story. Let's make it unforgettable. Cut to notebook opening, pen poised. The first step is always the hardest, but you're not alone. Let's cook up your future, one step at a time. Fade out with upbeat music. Ready to dive in? Here's how you start. End scene with a hopeful smile. Scene transition. Before you buy a pan, do your homework. Market research. Explore your city. Visit other cafes and restaurants. Notice what works and what doesn't. Who are their customers? What's missing in your area? This research is your foundation. Find a gap only you can fill. Now your big idea, your unique selling proposition, USP. What makes your place special? Is it the best filter coffee, organic salads, or a cozy book cafe? Your passion will shine through if your concept is authentic. For example, a friend's cafe based on his grandmother's recipes became a hit because it was genuine. Your concept is your story. Action steps. Define your target customer. Who are you cooking for? Analyze your competition. List the top 5 nearby places, their strengths and weaknesses. Write down 3 unique ideas for your place. Theme, menu, or service. Choose the one that excites you most. Your concept is more than food. It's the vibe, music, staff uniforms, and menu design. Everything should tell the same story. If you're opening a rustic Italian spot, play Italian melodies, not loud EDM. Your concept guides every decision from wall color to menu items. Spend time on this. A clear concept is your North Star. The right idea sets you apart and guides your journey. Visuals, mood boards, cafe sketches, brainstorming. Ready to define your story? Let's move to the next step. Scene transition. End scene. Fade out. Now, let's get practical. Your business plan is your recipe for success. It's simply writing down your ideas, research, and numbers. This document proves you've thought things through, crucial for investors or banks. Start with an executive summary, a short, exciting overview of your idea. Describe your concept, mission, and vision. Include your market research. Add your menu and pricing strategy, marketing plan, and team structure. The financial plan is critical. List all startup costs, rent, design, equipment, licenses, and initial stock. Then list monthly costs, rent, salaries, utilities, marketing, and ingredients. Always add 15-20% extra for emergencies, your contingency fund. Use spreadsheets or online templates to organize your budget. Don't hesitate to ask an accountant or a savvy friend for help. Figure out your break-even point, when your earnings cover your costs. After that, you start making a profit. A solid business plan and budget turn your passion into a profession. Planning now saves you headaches later. Visuals, spreadsheets, calculator, business plan binder. Ready to make it real? Let's find your perfect location. Scene transition. Location can make or break your restaurant. Look for visibility and easy access. Is there parking? Is it safe at night? Match your location to your target audience, near offices for professionals, in neighborhoods for families. Visit at different times to see how the crowd changes. A little competition is good, but too much can be tough. Check the space. Is there enough room for your kitchen, storage, and seating? Is there proper water and ventilation? Don't rush this decision. Now, paperwork. In India, you need several licenses. The most important is the FSSAI license for food safety. You'll also need a Shop and Establishment Act license, health trade license, fire knock, and GST registration. For music or alcohol, Get the right licenses. Hire a local consultant to help with paperwork. They'll save you time and stress. Getting your papers in order shows you're serious and professional. The right location and legal setup are your launchpad. Visuals, street views, license documents, consultant handshake. With the basics set, let's design your dream space. Scene transition. End scene. Your restaurant's design sets the mood. Make it match your concept. Modern cafe? Go for clean lines and neutral colors. DZ themed? Use bright colors and quirky decor. Lighting matters. Warm for cozy, bright for fast-paced. Comfort is key. Good chairs, well-spaced tables. The kitchen is your engine. Designed for smooth workflow from storage to prep to service. Make a list of essential equipment. Buy new or quality second-hand to save money. Now your team. Hire for attitude as much as skill. Your staff are the face of your business. Look for passion and positivity. Ask interview questions that reveal personality, like handling tough customers. Train your team on your menu, recipes, and service standards. Create a staff handbook with clear roles and rules. Build a positive work culture. Respect and listen to your team. A happy team means happy customers. Invest in your people. They'll help you succeed. Scene transition. Your menu is your star attraction. Keep it focused, quality over quantity. Offer a mix of signature items and popular classics. Use fresh, local ingredients for better taste and a great story. Price smartly. Ingredient cost should be about 30% of the selling price. Design your menu card to be clear and appetizing. Use tempting descriptions and highlight signature dishes. Menu engineering guides customers to your best items. A well-planned, well-priced menu drives your success. Your menu is your brand. Make it memorable. Visuals, beautiful dishes, menu design, happy customers. Now let's get the word out. Scene transition. End scene. You've built your restaurant. Now tell the world. Start marketing before you open. Use social media. Instagram and Facebook are your best friends. Post teasers, behind-the-scenes shots, and food photos to build excitement. Run contests, like naming a signature dish for a free meal. Invite local food bloggers for a pre-opening tasting. Print flyers and introduce yourself to nearby offices and residents. Offer special discounts to attract first customers. Plan a soft launch for friends and family to test operations. For your grand opening, make it a celebration. Live music, special offers, or a free welcome drink. Make a memorable first impression. After opening, keep marketing. Post daily specials, share customer photos, and run local ads. Build an email or WhatsApp list for loyal customers and send exclusive offers. Encourage reviews on Zomato, Swiggy, and Google. Positive reviews are powerful. Consistent marketing turns first-timers into regulars and brand ambassadors. Marketing is ongoing. Keep your buzz alive. Visuals, social media posts, grand opening event, happy crowd. With customers coming in, let's focus on daily operations. Scene transition. End scene. Fade out. Optional quick montage of happy customers and staff. Optional upbeat music. Optional logo animation. Optional. Follow us for more tips. End. The doors are open. Now comes the real work. Smooth daily operations are key to profit and peace of mind. Use checklists for opening and closing to keep things organized. Good systems reduce chaos and mistakes. Customer service is everything. Train your staff to be warm, knowledgeable, and attentive. Handle complaints gracefully. Turn problems into loyalty. Create memorable experiences, not just transactions. Track your sales, food costs, and labor costs closely. Use data to update your menu and control expenses. Boost earnings with daily specials, combos, and upselling. Start a loyalty program and partner with delivery platforms. Host events to attract new customers. Stay creative and organized. Profit will follow. Scene transition. Every journey has bumps. Know the common mistakes to avoid them. Don't underestimate costs. Budget and contingency funds are vital. Stick to your unique concept. Don't chase every trend. Consistency builds your brand. Listen to customer feedback. Use it to improve. Don't try to do everything yourself. Delegate and trust your team. Be a lifelong learner. Read, visit new places, and keep experimenting. Continuous learning keeps your business fresh and innovative. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be tough days. Remember why you started. Celebrate small wins, learn from failures, and care for your team. Your passion and resilience are your secret ingredients. Keep cooking, keep learning, and keep dreaming. Visuals. Chef reflecting, team celebrating, happy customers. Your food journey is just beginning. End scene. Fade out. End of script.